business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. Prior to 2006, all these are the different individual ERP products available in the market. But during that point of time, none of the applications in the market were very stable, very good at all the business areas. So, if you take Oracle e-business suite, Oracle's own ERP product that was very good at financials. PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials business area. Hyperion is very good at reporting. Siebel is very good at CRM. But during that time, there was a huge problem in the market that if a company want to buy any application to use in their company, none of the products in the market available at that point of time are very much stable in all the business areas. So what Oracle did in the year 2006 with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the best products in the market at that point of time. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, Oracle acquired Siebel, then Hyperion, JD Edwards, and anyhow EBS is their own application they have. In 2006 they acquired all these applications in the market. In the year 2011 they launched Oracle Fusion applications in the open world. It means it took about 5 years for Oracle to build a new age application, that too on a cloud based technology. Because today any technology you see in the market, everything moving towards cloud. They moved from the traditional model on premise, every application today in the market moving towards cloud. Oracle also launched these applications in 2011 on the cloud based technology. Now some of you might get a question. We are in 2026 almost. 2011 you are telling these applications were introduced. So that old applications will have demand today in the market. Already it's been 15 years, right? See, 2011 they introduced these applications in the market, but almost it took 6 to 8 years of time for Oracle to position their application in the market, to penetrate into the market. Correct? If you are starting a business today, immediately you will get succeed. Within 6 months you will get the break even? No. 2 years, 3 years down the line, you have to consistently work on it, provide the good service, then you will become successful in your companies or business what you set up. Same with Oracle also. In the year 2011, they introduced the application, but from 2017 to 2018, the actual demand for this Oracle Fusion application started. And the best part today is, Oracle's counterpart is SAP. Many of you might be heard about SAP, right? We have SAP, we have Workday, we have Salesforce, many other domains. But the best part today, Oracle Fusion applications became the market leader is, we have some reasons for that. Because when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, all these technologies, whoever the customers currently using that products, Oracle insisting their customers to move to Fusion. That is the reason today Oracle Fusion applications got very good market compared to SAP. We can say proudly that today in the ERP segment, Oracle is the top ERP. After that only we have SAP or Workday or any other ERP applications in the market. With a huge customer base, Oracle implementing these technologies across the companies in the world today. So this is about the evolution or the history of the Fusion application.